We are going to take a quick look at a 2021 Voorwood L117 edge foiler. Up front, you do have your Siemens semantic controller. This one does have the optional scoring, 5 horsepower shaping, your dual 3/4 horsepower sanders with turbo sand heads. You do have your coil here, dual ovens, of course. This is your motor that puts tension on that coiler. Since we don't have any foil in the machine, it's just going to keep spinning. And finally, on the rear, you also do have your post cleaning stations. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.